as I was saying before, we live in a world where there is duality. There is positive and negative. There is also, some of you might have heard the law of assumption, which is basically that lucky girl syndrome that I was saying before. And there is law of action. There is also law of attraction. There's all these different laws. I want to talk to you guys about the law of assumption. This kind of ties into your energy and how you're showing up. If you are living in this energy of assuming the best, you assume the best, you know today's going to be a good day, you affirm these things. It's linked also with the law of attraction because you're attracting these things in. But just to hone in and make it even more specific, this is where this lucky girl syndrome is coming in, where all these women are saying all of these amazing things have been attracted into my life all of a sudden by telling myself I'm lucky with XYZ, ABC. And the reason why this is happening is because their energy is now assuming that is their reality. They're making their energy their reality and they're becoming unavailable for anything less. So they're assuming they are having a sold out X, Y, and Z. They're assuming they're getting a promotion. They're assuming blah, blah, blah. And what's important is that assumption helps to control their energy, not just vibrational energy, but their actual energy that day. So if they wake up and they're like, I'm going to assume that I'm going to have the best fucking day of my life, then guess what's going to happen? They're in a positive vibrational state. They're going to choose positive things. They're going to think positive thoughts. It's very likely that if something shitty happened that day, they'd put a positive twist on it, or they wouldn't let it ruin their whole day. They would see the positive, or they wouldn't see so much negative. It wouldn't feed any victimhood. They would keep going throughout their day, and they would keep allowing themselves to, they would keep taking action of I'm having the best day. I'm having the best fucking day. I'm going to have a coffee with myself. I'm going to walk this different route. And then something happens, they bump into an old friend, whatever it is, right? Their actions that day then start to align with their energy because of what they are telling themselves. And their thoughts, right, create the energy, which creates emotion, which creates an action. If you feel depressed, do you want to go out for a girls' night? No. If you feel depressed, you want to stay at home, watch a movie by yourself, for example. If you feel high vibe and like you're thriving and that you've had the best day, do you want to go out for your girlfriend with your girlfriends? Yes. Do you want to stay at home and watch a show by yourself? Maybe, but most likely not. That would be more likely that you want to go out because you have all this energy and you want to take an action that feels good for you in that moment. So that's the law of assumption, right? And why this is important is because when it comes to creating your dream life, right, you are constantly communicating with your actions and your inactions to the universe by your energy, right? So if you are saying to the universe, I want to attract in this money, but then your actions do not show that, is it going to happen? Probably not. Because you might be saying it, but your actions aren't showing that you actually want it, right? So you have to think about whatever it is that you're wanting lately. Are your actions matching what it is that you want? Because everybody remembers the law of attraction. Nobody remembers the law of action. The law of action is very, very important, and it makes you feel motivated, right? It gives you that momentum to keep going, to feeling like, yes, I'm achieving, I'm getting things done, etc., etc.